In this section, we will explore extracting metals. But first of all, where do metals come from? So let's answer this question. Of course, we know that metals are very important in our lives. Metals are found in the Earth's crust. For example, in this picture, we have gold, silver, and copper. Many of the metals found will be chemically bonded to other elements, mainly sulfur and oxygen. On the other hand, a few metals such as gold and silver are so unreactive that they are found in the earth as the metals or elements themselves. So we say that they exist in their native state. On the other hand, copper, for example, must be chemically separated before using the metal. When there's enough of a metal or metal compound in a rock to make it worth extracting the metal, the rock will be called a metal ore. So, for example, aluminum, Al, is extracted from bauxite. Iron, Fe, is extracted from hematite, and copper is extracted from copper sulfide. Ores are mined from the ground. Some need to be concentrated before the metal is extracted and purified. So, for example, copper ores, which are copper sulfide, are ground up into a powder. Then they are mixed with water, and the chemical that makes the copper compound repel water. Air is then bubbled through the mixture, and the copper compound floats on top as a froth. The rocky bits sink and the concentrated copper compound is scraped off the top. It's then ready to have its copper extracted. Whether it's worth extracting a particular metal or not depends on 3 factors. The first factor is how easy it is to extract it from its ore. The second one is how much metal the ore contains. And the third factor is the changing demands for a particular metal. So when considering extracting a particular metal, we must think of these 3 factors before deciding. And actually, these factors can change over time. So for example, we can find a new cheaper method for extracting the metal, or we might also discover a new way to extract the metal efficiently from rock which contains only small amounts of a metal ore.